everybody. I wanted to show you a form of printmaking today that I started earlier. I'm using a blue piece of paper because one of the only paints that I had at my house was white and I wanted something that would show. So I'm gonna put a little bit of white paint on this paper plate. One thing I find, especially when working with kids, is that if you take a little extra time to set up in a way that will minimize a mess, you'll be much happier, more likely to do it again. So I cut some printmaking supplies from edges of, this is a toilet paper tube, and these are just flaps from a box. And you see I put some blue masking tape on the ends so that it would remind me which side to hold and which side will have the paint on it. So even just something like that will really cut down on the mess that you make. So I'm just gonna dip my Printmaker into the white paint, and then I'm gonna make some marks on my paper, just like that. And by having the blue on top, even if I set it down, I'll remember how to pick it up. And then the tube makes circles, which kind of just gives a different idea. So I let the green paint dry before I started with the white paint. You can do one right after the other, but the colors will kind of mix and spread, so it's kind of a fun activity to come back to a couple times. The paint dries pretty quickly, so there's a lot of things you can learn here, and you can try it out and see what you make. Have fun.